What's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review and welcome to another video. And in this video I'm going to talk about few essentials, must needed essentials for the Renault Triber. These are cost effective, so I feel in my point of view these essentials are must needed. So let me start with the first one. The first one being the luggage carrier, and this one is from the MTech brand. I believe this is brand is for primarily to cater for Maruti, mainly for their Ertiga models. So hence this brand is good. The luggage carrier is sturdy and is of good quality. This one costed me around 4,200 and 200 for fitting charges. So make sure you are picking up a good luggage carrier, again based on your preferences. And this luggage carrier mounts on the roof rails, which is already given by the Triber. So must have essential, number one. Number two, I would say, is the seat covers. Seat covers are also important. So I have this black and red seat cover combination. So basically what I did is I got this cover stitched from a company supplier. So basically by doing that it costed me very less, so somewhere around 8,000 rupees. So the seat cover installation I'll put in a separate video, but that is something which you need to keep in mind, that don't go for factory fitted seat covers, because the factory fitted seat covers are primarily from the Delhi region, and they are prefab fitting, and which automatically goes into the seat like a pillow cover. But get it stitched if you have a little bit patience, because you have to give your car for almost 2 to 3 hours, because they have to stitch the seat. So basically if you see the grooves over here and the angle in which the seat is cover is molded, that is mainly because the seat cover is stitched to the seat in certain areas. So the installation process I'll show it in another video, but this is the essential number two. The third thing that I would say is the fast charger, which comes with the type C charging option. So this also is important. A fast charger mainly makes a lot of difference. So this one is a quick charge fast charger, and it is quick charge 3.0. so that costed me somewhere around 300 rupees, something like that. The Sunshade, and this one exclusive is for Triber, and this one also I picked it up from Amazon. This costed me around 1,000 rupees. They are of good quality, and the best thing is that the Sunshade is for all the 3 doors. So basically even you have the sunshade for the smaller window. So the sunshade fits like this. There's no magnet, you just have to wedge it between the outer casing. So that's how it fixes. But these are of good quality, and the magnet in this holds good, and it slots in perfectly to the window. The second window sunshade doesn't have a zip, but the first one for both the driver and the passenger has a zip to take out the sunshade. So that also is a nice touch. Essentials number 5 is this one. So basically this is a backrest pouch. So basically for your front seat to the back side you can rest this pouch, which comes with 2 bottle holders, 1 face tissue holder, and also for your mobile and your tablet provision. Enough of space to house your 2 water bottles and 1 liter water bottles, and you have your nifty face towel holder, and also there is some provision where you can keep other knickknacks. So this also is a good thing. On the top side of the mat you have this nice thick layer, and this I feel is certainly essential. When you land your feet on this mat, it gives a very relaxing feel, and also this collects most of the dust, and it's easily you can clean it, and you can put out all the dust which gets accumulated over here. It also has an anti-skid kind of an option before the driver's pedal, so that also is a nice touch. This costed me around 1400, so pretty good deal. And the catch is that you only get this mat for the driver side and also for the second row. For the third row you don't get it. Mainly I believe this is catered for mainly for hatchbacks, but also for Triber this option is there, and hence I took it. For the third row I made some other arrangements, but for the price around 1200 to 1400 it does the job, and does the job well. Number 7 is this nifty looking bag. So basically this bag gets in place to the rear side of the headrest, and it clamps over there. You can keep all your knickknacks so that you can free up space in the boot. As you know, Triber comes with a very small boot, so freeing up space as much as possible helps. So here you can keep your umbrellas, your vacuum cleaner or anything like that, so thereby cleaning up the space. And then finally I would say the other important thing is this one, the sunshade. It's very important if you're keeping your car outside. This one is close to 800 rupees. Does a very good job in ensuring that your dash doesn't heat up and keeps the sun mostly outside. So a good investment, a worthwhile investment, which works for any car, not only for Triber. So basically it protects your front dash of not overheating. Final option is the Portronics mobile holder. So this one is a pretty nice mobile holder, somewhere close to 250 rupees. It has a clamp type system where it clamps your mobile holder, and there's a release button also at the back. So it is pretty sturdy, and you can put it in both landscape and portrait mode. So Portronics is a good company, so hence the product also is made up of good quality. It goes and hinges to the back side of your AC vent. So there's also a locking mechanism, as you can see over here. So once when you lock it, it doesn't come out. So that is important, where it clamps to the AC vent groove by the lock, and hence it is very sturdy. So that also is another thing. Hope you found these essentials to be very useful for your Triber, and if you do so, please comment below, and if you want to add anything else also, please comment below. And I would also like to say that there's one more thing, that tire inflator, which is an electrical one. So basically it gets the power from the 12-volt outlet. So that did pick up one for roughly around 800 to 900 rupees. All these were happening through the sales, so hence I got it at a good deal. So that tire inflator also is a good thing that you need to have, a must thing you need to have. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel. This is Kevin signing off. And